VeloRoo is a cycling tour company, so we specialise in tour packages. Our VeloRoo Sunshine Coast Adventure Tour, we have you based at Habitat Noosa because it's central to everything that we're going to do. We'll ride through the Noosa Biosphere on day one. We come back to Habitat Noosa. The next day, we actually load the bikes onto our VeloRoo trailer in the minibus and we go out to the magnificent Mary Valley. What people love most is their connection with others, other like-minded people. Everyone just gets that sense of adventure. People get the opportunity to share their stories, share their journey, share their experiences, and they end up leaving with friends for life.